Hey guys, are you an aspiring developer, entrepreneur, or seasoned property investor looking to elevate your skills and capitalize on lucrative property development deals? If so, this is your chance to receive world-class property development education at its best, and more critically, some proven strategies to get you started immediately.
One of these days, we're gonna find a way to make something out of nothing.
Hi, I'm Jim Castagnet, CEO of Property Development World, and I'm thrilled to announce an unprecedented event on the 20th and 21st of November this year. 2 days, I should say, Property Development Masterclass, personally presented by myself and 7 property development industry experts with some 150 years combined experience. This industry is known, as you know, for its complexity and high barriers to entry. Property Development World, of course, has consistently strived to demystify the process and empower individuals to build wealth through property development. Now, for over 2 decades, our courses, seminars, our online content have guided thousands in sourcing, analyzing, and successfully developing property. Now, we're bringing that invaluable experience and expertise directly to you in an intensive, hands-on workshop. This is your opportunity to fast-track your journey to starting your own property development business and, of course, making huge profits. Our case studies of previous projects by our students will demonstrate how you too can succeed. If you're a small developer and perhaps want to up your game, an entrepreneur or an aspiring developer, this is for you. And of course, if you're a consultant to developers, this knowledge will help you extend your client base exponentially. If you're an investor, you will learn how to assess the best opportunities while keeping your risk to a minimum. By the way, if you're a student, you're also most welcome to attend. Ask about our special student rates when you're booking. So, whether you're looking to get started or take your current development business to another level, up a notch or two, gain crucial education, explore investment avenues, or extend your professional network, this masterclass delivers. It is your springboard into the exciting world of property development. So, this is what you will learn: sourcing development sites, sourcing property development sites off market, discovering those strategies to find those hidden gems, I should say, and yes, you will keep them before they hit the urban market. Conducting financial feasibility is critical. Master the art of assessing development sites, profitability, and making sound financial decisions. Remember, you make your profit when you secure the site. So the next one is facilitating site acquisition using call options. Understand how to secure potential development sites without actually buying the site and keeping your risk, and of course the use of your upfront money or your upfront capital to a minimum. Applying legal and accounting principles to manage your risk. Above all, navigate crucial legal and financial frameworks, lodging the zoning approvals, gain clarity on how the development application process and securing necessary permissions as quickly as possible, setting up a property development business, learn how to establish your venture with the right business structure, establishing funding structures, exploring effective ways to finance your projects, managing consultants, effectively coordinating and leading teams of professionals from various disciplines, marketing property development projects, developing those strategies to successfully market your projects at various stages of development to suit you, and last but not least, implementing appropriate exit strategies so you can plan for those most profitable conclusions to your projects at your leisure. The outcomes. On completion of this masterclass, you will possess the confidence and knowledge to get started in property development and generate substantial profits without undertaking any construction yourself. Confidently consult with clients who are developers, and thirdly, astutely assess investment opportunities within the property development sector. You don't miss this unparalleled opportunity to transform your career and your financial future. Go to our website right now for all of the details and pricing. Make sure you take advantage of our early bird offers, and of course there's also a super bonus offer if you decide to book before the 7th of November, which I would encourage you to do. I look forward to seeing you there. Bye for now.